The world-famous Cabot Trail has been calling us ever since we moved to Nova Scotia almost 4 years ago.
We do want to do the Cabot Trail later in the fall. We're saving it for a better time.
This 298-kilometer scenic drive around the northern tip of Cape Breton Island in Nova Scotia has everyone hooked. Join us in this 4-part series as we race against time, battle the elements,
It is so cold.
and put our skills to the test
Okay, I'm man down.
as we climb these mountains to get to the view, literally.
I'm a little scared.
Oh my god.
Welcome back to another very exciting day riding through the Cabot Trail. This day was by far the most challenging, exhilarating, and empowering day yet. It was an overcast morning on the trail and everyone was waiting for the sun to kiss the mountains, but that doesn't stop us from a photo opportunity.
Thank you so much.
So we quickly stopped to take some photos, and that's how our day began.
Stopped here real quick after we left camp because there was a beautiful view. You can see it in the background. Met a few bikers, this one right there, and now we're off. Met a photographer. Yeah, now we're off. We're heading to Ganesh Beach. Aldo has a meeting at 11 o'clock. So we're gonna maybe find a nice cafe, sit down for a meal and some coffee. Let Aldo do his thing. Oh, okay. This is going to be a curvy one. Woo! Woo! Like that? Without the sound effects? Well, what do we have here?
Up with the eagle wing. Oh, yeah. They have the eagle wing.
Eagle wings what?
They have the eagle wing water stand.
Oh, what is that?
Somewhere here.
What is that?
Just two wings.
Oh, okay. Can you just stand and take a photo?
Yeah.
We need to find a gas station. We need to find a cafe. I mean, there's only one road, so we can't miss it. Look at that. Maybe we should have stopped and checked the map.
Yeah, and ask for gas station.
Yeah.
Stop somewhere here.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah. Look at the color of that tree. It's like neon. Green.
Paper gas station.
The colors are just popping with the sun.
Something I failed to mention, or maybe I mention it later on during the trip, is there is one mistake we made that cost us a lot of time. Now, if you've noticed, we've been stopping to check the maps a lot, and we've been going to a lot of cafes. Part of it is to get work done, but the other is because someone who shall remain nameless forgot to bring the motorcycle phone charger, which is why we don't leave the navigation on, because the phone would just die. And that's why we have to check our maps quite often. That's why we have to stop a lot.
Pull me a little bit back, please.
Maybe you need to turn your wheel.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. You don't have to be a perfectionist, Aldo. So the cafe was closed, so we decided we'll stop and get gas. So we got gas, and then we went to this cafe to see if we can attend the meeting there, but then they didn't have any Wi-Fi. So then we came to this library, but then the library was closed. Then finally we came to the front door, and it's like a Nova Scotia Works Center, so like an employment center. And then we asked them, we're like, could we please attend a meeting here? Like, is there a room or something where we could sit down, do a meeting? And they were like, yeah, sure. And then he opened up a little space for us, and yeah, shout out to them. So we finished the meeting, and now we're heading to the beach, right?
Beach or food?
Maybe a little bit of both. We'll see.
Food at the beach.
Yeah, food at the beach.
Yeah, man.
To stop, like everywhere you look, there's like views. Look at that, look at that, look at this, look at that. Let's take a real quick look down here. Wow. Every little spot offers like a fairly different terrain, fairly different view. Like, look, this is our cliffs. You don't see it from there, but you'll see it in the video, Aldo. That's pretty cool. Okay, onward.
Stillbrook Waterfall. And we are at Blackbrook Cove Beach.
Still pretty though.
Yeah, let's go check out the other spot.
Try to make it so perfect.
There are two trails. One is Jack Pine and there's another one. Are you sure we are going on the Jack Pine?
I have no idea. We'll find out. Okay, we're going the wrong way. Which we've done like 5 times already. There's this waterfall we're trying to find, but it's proving to be a challenge. We're going to give it one more attempt. This waterfall better be worth it. Stillbrook?
That's a weird name for a waterfall.
Yeah, true. The issue is there's no service here, and well, I'm directionally impaired, but Aldo's pretty good with maps and stuff. But anyway, there's no service, so it's hard. Yes, Aldo, it's very neat. Very proud of you.
I guess you can call that a waterfall. One star?
1 star, no, half-star rating.
Half-star rating for the information on Google.
That's right.
What did the brook do?
Well, I don't know, the picture looked different. This is very underwhelming.
Maybe we are in the wrong spot.
Maybe we are. It could totally be user error.
Well, on that bridge it said Stillbrook, so this is the brook.
This is the
And
it
I
makes
see the
sense
falls.
now. The name totally makes sense. This is Stillbrook.
Yep. Anyway, we'll go to
Yeah.
White Point.
Yeah, next spot.
Okay.
What the hell? Look at that.
Yeah, now we're to the right spot to take a turn, but yeah.
Okay.
Let me go. Yeah, this is much better.
Oh my god, the downhill is scary. Downhill's a bit daunting. It's like you're flying. We should put it in neutral and just roll it down. Yeah. We're going down? Oh, is it?
Yeah, I told you that's the rock.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Okay, wait for me. that hill, Aldo.
That wasn't too bad.
Wasn't too bad. It's literally rocks. Whew.
Which way do we go? Like, there's a lot of...
There are lots of options.
Yeah.
Do you want to go down this way?
We go like this and
Okay, you tell me how it is. Look at him go.
yeah. Not bad.
Doable?
Yeah. Getting down will be interesting, but you can come like that actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too.
Yeah.
Like this way, right?
That way. See
Okay,
that?
yeah.
Around.
Okay,
But be on this side, left hand side,
okay,
closer to the mountain.
okay. Alright, let's do this.
Yeah. Speed. It's not that bad compared to...
I shouldn't have stopped. Whew.
God. There's so much.
Oh God, I stopped on a slope. I'm a little scared.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Climbing up.
I'm trying to brace myself
Yeah.
to do it.
Yeah. It's not that bad.
Just keep my leg down. Keep going.
Yeah, come on. How are you? Oh, yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Hi. How are you? Good, excellent.
Climb up, you need to take a left here.
Take a left.
Yeah, I took that road.
This road?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just climb anywhere. Accelerate.
Oh my God. Now that was interesting.
Yeah, going down will be interesting.
Oh, well, going down's easy. It's just downhill. Gravity will do the rest.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm offering a steady hand.
braked because I had to slow down because I was behind you.
Okay, did you turn it off?
I did. I braked because I was behind you, and then the engine died, and then I fell.
Okay.
Okay, that's the story of my fall.
That looks like a nice thumbnail.
Wait, how about now?
Too bad there's no mountains in the back.
We can just Photoshop that in the back. How's this for a mount?
Thunder.
Okay, let's get this bike up. All this off-roading is making me hungry.
Yeah, so we're good.
It's good. You go ahead. I'll just wait and follow you after a bit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Know where you're going and don't worry about the speed.
Should we wait for them?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to rush you or anything. I don't want to embarrass myself when I fall down.
Take it slow.
Yeah. So yeah. Well, I'm okay falling down, but the audience.
It's pretty technical.
It is technical. I came up because. Really?
I've got a big 1150 BMW.
Oh,
So I've done stuff like this, but you got the right bike for it.
yeah.
What is that, a 350?
650.
650, okay.
Yeah, the only problem is like here it's okay because I think the terrain is like that, but when I'm high up I can barely touch, like I'm on my tippy toes. That's the only thing. But when I came up there was no turning back.
Easier going up and down.
True.
It is.
I'm realizing that.
About you?
No, he yeah.
You'll be fine. Just go
Yeah.
slow. That way if you fall,
Yeah. Just if you hear falling and tumbling, just ignore us.
I've done it before.
Nothing to be
All right.
embarrassed of. You look so cute in your outfit.
Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.
We won't watch if you don't want to.
You can watch when I start moving. Let's do this.
Yeah. One thing you gon' learn about me, ain't nobody putting word like me. Can't drip, can't sauce like me. Whipping it up, I'm a major key. I am the one, not the two or the three. Get on my level if you wanna be better than ever. I got what I need. Pushing the limit, that's how it's gon' be. I promise I won't take it easy. It's only right that I come with that greasy. It's only right that I give him that pressure. Just watch, you don't have to believe me. I'ma do my thing. Watch me do my thing. I'ma do my thing. I did not come to play. I ain't got no limit, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm limitless. I ain't got no limit, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm limitless. They can't stop me now, yeah, that's right. Cause I'm limitless. It's my turn right now. Watch me work, yeah, I'm limitless. I ain't got no limit, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm limitless. I ain't got no limit, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I'm limitless. They can't stop me now, yeah, that's right. Cause I'm limitless. It's my turn right now. Watch me work, yeah, I'm limitless. I know what I want and you know I'ma get it. I'm not even close to the finish, just scratching the surface. Turning my L's into winnings, I've been the one since the beginning. No days off, I go so hard in the pain. Putting that work and it's paying off quick. I left no crumbs, you know I ate. I'm pushing the limit like get out the way.
We made it in one piece.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, campsite?
Yeah, 31 minutes.
Okay.
Reach there at 4:18.
Now, if I thought this was a challenge, finding a campsite was going to be another huge challenge. with gravity working against me and dead phones, getting lost. It was gonna be interesting. So hope you'll join us next week to do more stupid things. But until then, thanks for watching. Bye!